So Harrison, my buddy said he has a package that he sent me, so we're gonna go to the mailbox and see what he sent. Come on, we gotta cross. That might be kind of hard to push in the dirt in this grass. Maybe let's bring it back over here on the sidewalk.
Wow, look at all these leaves.
There's a lot of leaves, huh? That's a big package. I don't know what they sent. All right, let's do it.
One of their friends had one of these boxes to order, so I bring it with my car to get home. It was so cold, so I was wearing my jacket.
Yep.
So join our video. Hello.
Yeah.
Watch our video someday. If you want to watch Dad, my best friend, watch trains, you can join us.
So this is ComplexCon. This is a VIP box, and it came with a charger and a bunch of pins and the VIP bracelet. So basically, I got one for myself and I got one for my buddy Paul, just because he went with us the previous year, and we had media passes and he didn't, and so I felt really bad.
And me 1,000 pounds with these things.
Yeah.
It comes from so many coins. You have to be careful. Let's open this box up and see what's inside with Dad's friends.
Let's do that. Okay, so I have no idea what it is. I literally have no idea. I haven't opened it yet. He did a good tape job on this. This is my knife, Harrison, so I'm going to open this up real quick over here. And
Gotta be careful.
yeah, I'm being very careful. Now watch your fingers. I'm going to open this box and see what Paul sent over here. Okay, and then this one right here. And then I'll put it away. Ah, okay.
Oh, another one?
Yeah. What
Yeah,
did he send? Okay, let's see. Let me help you open it. Out.
Yeah, I have.
What did he get? These are crazy looking.
Yeah, then yours.
Whoa.
So this suit comes with Dad's friends. Count this in.
Yeah, there you go.
So these shoes come with Dad's friends on Saturday. So you can have these if you like. But I don't have one. My dad don't have one. Anyone don't have these shoes. But Dad's friends have these shoes. But they order them to the mailbox all the way to the mail carrier.
Mm-hmm. No, he sent these to Daddy as a gift.
No, okay.
Yeah, he sent them to me as a gift for Daddy, for a present.
Perfect.
Thank you, Paul, for the Air Max 90s and the vinyl ones are
Thank
super
you,
dope.
Paul!
These ones are going to go over on my turntables over here in the room. Anyways, I am going to be going to ComplexCon with the VIP passes, so I'm going to do a video on is the VIP experience even worth it or not.
Potty.
You need to go potty? That's a good idea. Go run into the bathroom and go potty, pal. Yeah, go potty.
Thank you, Paul, for getting Dad's presents for him.
I'm going to be doing a video on if the VIP passes are worth it or not. They're $630 each, super expensive. I don't know if it's worth doing it or not. I don't think it will be, honestly, just because it's so expensive. And I feel like it's going to be super hectic. Hoping that they make some changes this year so it's not. But I will be doing a video on that and let you guys know if the VIP package is worth it or not. Looks cool, and it comes with cool pins. But again, I'm just going to see if it's worth it. Also, if you guys have any ideas of what sneakers I should wear to ComplexCon, leave a comment in the comment section. There's a lot of sneakers behind me, but if you know that I own a pair, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, because I'm trying to decide what 2 pairs to bring with me for these days. But that's the video. Thank you, Paul, for the random gift of kindness, and that's all I have. Well, have a good one. We'll see you guys for some more videos.
And thank you.
Thank you, pal.
Here.
All right.
Thank you, everybody.
See you guys soon.
See you guys soon.
Slime.
Slime.